Imagine a world cloaked in ice, vast sheets of it stretching for miles. This was Earth during the Ice Age, a period known as the Pleistocene epoch. It began around 2.6 million years ago and lasted until about 11,700 years ago. This wasn't just one long continuous freeze. The Pleistocene was a time of dramatic climate swings. Temperatures rose and fell, causing the ice sheets to advance and retreat in cycles. These cycles had a profound impact on life on Earth, particularly on the evolution of our own species. These icy landscapes were challenging for life. But amidst the harsh conditions, early humans were not merely surviving, they were evolving. The Pleistocene was a crucible, forging remarkable adaptations in our ancestors. It was a time of immense pressure but also immense opportunity. And from this icy forge emerged modern humans, Homo sapiens. The Pleistocene epoch was not one long winter. Instead, it was marked by alternating cycles of colder glacial periods and warmer interglacial periods. During glacial periods, temperatures plummeted. Ice sheets, glaciers, and ice caps expanded across the globe. Sea levels dropped as vast amounts of water froze. These glacial periods could last for tens of thousands of years. In contrast, interglacial periods were times of respite. Temperatures rose and the ice retreated. Forests and grasslands expanded, and sea levels rose once more. These warmer periods also lasted for thousands of years. Early humans had to adapt to these dramatic swings in climate. Their survival depended on their ability to find food, shelter, and warmth in both icy and temperate environments. This constant adaptation drove the evolution of human ingenuity, resilience, and social complexity. The Ice Age presented early humans with formidable challenges. Food was scarce, and the cold was relentless. But humans are remarkably adaptable creatures. Over time, they developed physical and behavioral adaptations to survive in these harsh conditions. One key adaptation was the evolution of larger brains. A larger brain allowed for greater intelligence and problem-solving abilities, crucial for finding food and shelter. Another important adaptation was the ability to walk upright on two legs, known as bipedalism. This freed up their hands for other tasks, such as making and using tools. Early humans also developed shorter, stockier bodies, which were better suited to conserving heat in cold climates. They grew thicker hair and learned to use animal hides for clothing and shelter. These physical adaptations, combined with their growing intelligence, allowed early humans to thrive in the challenging environments of the Ice Age. Section 4. Tools of Change. Mastering Fire and Resources. The Ice Age saw a significant leap in human ingenuity and tool use. Early humans became increasingly skilled at crafting tools from stone, bone, and wood. These tools were essential for hunting, butchering animals, and scraping hides for clothing and shelter. Perhaps the most transformative innovation of this period was the mastery of fire. Fire provided warmth, light, and protection from predators. It also revolutionized their diet, allowing them to cook food, making it easier to digest and unlocking vital nutrients. Fire became a central element of their social lives, a gathering place for warmth, storytelling, and community bonding. This ability to control fire and create increasingly sophisticated tools set the stage for further human advancement and expansion into new territories. Section 5. Neanderthal versus Sapiens, a tale of two species. The Ice Age was a time of great diversity for the human lineage. Several different human species roamed the Earth, including Neanderthals and our own species, Homo sapiens. Neanderthals were well adapted to the cold, with stocky builds, pronounced brow ridges, and larger noses. They were skilled hunters and toolmakers, and evidence suggests they may have even had their own forms of language and culture. Homo sapiens, on the other hand, were slender and taller with larger brains. They were also adept toolmakers and developed more complex hunting strategies. While Neanderthals primarily occupied Europe and parts of Asia, Homo sapiens originated in Africa and eventually spread throughout the globe. The reasons for the Neanderthals' eventual extinction around 40,000 years ago are still debated, but likely involved a complex interplay of factors, including climate change, competition for resources, and possibly even interbreeding with Homo sapiens. Section 6. Seeds of Culture, Art, and Community in the Ice. Despite the harsh conditions of the Ice Age, early humans were developing something remarkable: culture. Evidence suggests that they were creating art, burying their dead with rituals, and forming complex social structures. Cave paintings, found in various parts of the world, provide a glimpse into their world. These paintings depict animals, hunting scenes, and even abstract symbols, suggesting early forms of communication and storytelling. The discovery of musical instruments such as bone flutes hints at the development of music and perhaps even dance. These cultural expressions suggest that even in the face of adversity, early humans were driven to create, connect, and find meaning in their world. These cultural innovations, passed down through generations, helped to solidify social bonds, transmit knowledge, and pave the way for the development of more complex societies. Section 7. A New Dawn, the End of Ice and the Rise of Agriculture. Around 11,700 years ago, the Pleistocene epoch came to an end. The ice sheets retreated, and the planet entered a warmer and more stable period known as the Holocene, which we are still experiencing today. This transition had a profound impact on human societies. As temperatures rose, new plant and animal life flourished. Humans began to experiment with cultivating plants and domesticating animals. This marked the beginning of agriculture, a revolutionary development that would forever change the course of human history. With a reliable food source, humans could settle in one place and build permanent villages. This led to population growth, the specialization of labor, and the rise of civilizations. The Ice Age, though long gone, left an indelible mark on our species. It shaped our biology, our technology, and our very way of life. It serves as a testament to the resilience, adaptability, and ingenuity of humankind, a legacy etched in our genes and reflected in our modern world.